Hi students, this is 10th Maths, Chapter 3, Algebra. Today's topic, matrices. What is a matrix? Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of elements. Horizontal arrangement is called rows. Vertical arrangements are called columns. So this is one matrix. Example, A is equal to, matrices are denoted by capital letter. So matrix A is equal to this like 8, 9, 4, 3. This one row. Second row minus 1, root 7, root 3 by 2, 5. Second row. Third row 1, 4, 3, 0. Fourth row 6, 8, minus 11, 1. So these are rows. This vertical arrangements are called columns. Here how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. 4 rows and 4 columns are there. So what is order of the matrix? Order of the matrix is first write a number of rows first. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. Then number of columns. So 4 rows, 4 columns. In this matrix, order of the matrix is 4 by 4. This is order of the matrix. First number is number of rows. Number of rows. This horizontal lines are rows. Next number is number of columns. Vertical arrangements are columns. So in exercise 3.17, first question, in a matrix A, write the number of elements. Number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Number of elements 16. Next question, the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix, first write number of rows 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4. Number of columns 4. So order of the matrix is 4 by 4. Generally order of the matrix denoted by m by n. This is order of the matrix. First letter is number of rows. Second letter is number of columns. Third question, write the elements of A to 2. In this matrix, this position is A11. So A11 is 8. First row, first column. This position is A12. That means first row, second column. This position is A13. This position is called A third row, fourth column. So this position is A34. So here write the elements of A22, which means second row, second column. So this is second row, second column. So this position is A22. So A22, element of A22 is root 7. Here A23, that means second row, third column. So this is second row, third column. So this one is A23 element, root 3 by 2. Next A24. 24 means second row, fourth column. This is second row, fourth column. So this is element of A24. Fine. A34 means third row, fourth column. This is third row, fourth column. So this one is A34. A43. That means fourth row, third column. This is fourth row, third column. So this element is A43 minus 11. A44 is fourth row, fourth column. So one is A44 element. That's our answer for first question. Now, question number 3. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to modulus of I minus 2j. Modulus means only write the absolute values. First construct the A 3 by 3 matrix. So A 3 by 3 matrix is, this is order of the matrix. rows, 3 columns. Second row A21, A22, A23. Third row A31, A32, A33. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. So first element is, first write the general form Aij. I denotes rows, J denotes columns. Here modulus of I minus 2j. First find A11. Here I is 1, J is 1. So substitute here I is 1 minus 2 into j, 2 into 1. This is modulus symbol, modulus of 1 minus 2 ones are 2. Here 1 minus 2 is minus 1. This modulus means only take the absolute values. So minus 1 becomes plus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. Then A12. A12. Here I is 1, J is 2. Substitute here. I is 1 minus J is 2 into 2 equal to modulus of 1 minus 2 2s are 4. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is only 3. Next A13. Here I is 1, J is 3. 1 minus 2 into 3 means 1 minus modulus of 1 minus 2 3s are 6. So minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is plus 5. Next A21. Here I is 2, J is 1. 2 minus 2 into 1. 2j means 2 into 1. So 2 minus 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Modulus of 0 equal to 0. Next 2A22. Modulus of, here I is 2, j also 2. 2 minus 2 into 2. 2 minus 2 2s are 4. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2, is plus 2. Modulus means only take the positive values. A23. Here I is 2, j is 3. 2 minus 2 into 3. So 2 minus 2 3s are 6. Minus 4 equal to plus 4. A31. Here I is 3, j is 1. 3 minus 2 into 1 equal to 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is plus 1. Modulus of plus 1 is 1. A32. I is 3, j is 2. So 3 minus 2 into 2. 3 minus 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 equal to 1. A33. Modulus of here I is 3, j also 3. 3 minus 2 into 3. 3 minus 2 3s are 6. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. So modulus of minus 3 is 3. So our required matrix A33, A3 by 3. This is order. A33 matrix is first write A11 element, A11 is 1. A12 is 3. 13 is 5. Next 0, 2, 4, 1, 1, 3. This is 3 by 3 matrix. This is answer. Now second subdivision, consider 3 by 3 matrix for Aij equal to I A33 is equal to A3 by 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Next general form is Aij equal to I plus jb whole cube divided by 3. Here A11, first position A11. Here I is 1, j is 1. Substitute here I is 1, j is 1. Whole cube divided by this 3. So 1 plus 1 is 2 cube by 3. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 by 3. This is A11. This is not modulus, just bracket. Previous one only modulus symbol. Next A12. I is 1, j is 2. Here substitute. I is 1, j is 2. 3 cube by 3. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled. 3 3 is a 9. Next find A13. I is 1, j is 3. Substitute I as 1, j as 3. So 1 plus 3 whole cube divided by 3. So 4 cube by 3. 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64 divided by 3. A1 2 1. I is 2, j is 1. So 2 plus 1 whole cube divided by 3. 3 cube by 3. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3 by this 3. 3 3 get cancelled. 3 3 is a 9. Next 2 2. A2 2. I is 2, j also 2. So 2 plus 2 whole cube by 3. 4 cube by 3 equal to 64 by 3. Next A2 3. I is 2, j is 3. So 2 plus 3 whole cube by 3 equal to 5 cube by 3. 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125 divided by 3. Next A31. I is 3, j is 1. So 3 plus 1 whole cube by 3 equal to 4 cube by 3 equal to 64 by 3. A32. I is 3, j is 2. So 3 plus 2 the whole cube by 3 equal to 5 cube by 3 equal to 125 by 3. So A33 equal to I is 3, j also 3. So 3 plus 3 whole cube divided by 3 equal to 6 cube by 3. 6 table is 3 table is going, so write 6 into 6 into 6 by 3. 3 1 times 3 2 are 6 6 are 36. 36 into 2 72. So write A3 by 3 matrix. A11 is 8 by 3. 8 by 3 9. 64 by 3. Second row 9. 64 by 3. 125 by 3. Third row 64 by 3. 72. This is our required 3 by 3 matrix. Now, fourth question. If A is equal to matrix A equal to 5 4 3 1 minus 7 9 3 8 2, then find the transpose of A. What is transpose of A? Should write the given matrix as write the rows as columns and columns as rows. So given matrix is A is equal to 5 4 3 1 minus 7 9 3 8 2. This is given matrix. Find the transpose of A. Transpose of A denoted by symbol A transpose. A power capital T. That means A transpose equal to, right, this column as row. So already 5 4 3 in row. Now 5 1 3 is column. Row is 4 3. Next, take this column as row. So here 8. This column. This is minus 7 8. Here is 9 2. This column as row. This row as column. Next, take this row. That means minus 7 minus 8 like this. Then minus 7 9 like this. This row as it is. So this is transpose of matrix A. This is answer. Next, fifth question. If A is equal to root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 to root 3 minus 5. This is given matrix. Then find the transpose of minus A. Then find the matrix of, find the transpose of minus A. So given matrix is A. Here our question is find the transpose of minus A. So first find minus A, negative of matrix A. So given matrix is A equal to root 7 root minus 3 minus root 5 to root 3 minus 5. This is given matrix. First find minus A, that means negative of matrix A. Minus A equal to, change the sign of all elements. Here plus root 7 means minus root 7. Minus 3 means 3. Here minus root 5 means 1 means plus root 5. Here plus 2 no? Plus 2 means minus 2. Here minus root 3. Here plus 5. This is negative of matrix A. For this negative matrix, find the transpose. So minus A transpose equal to, now write the column as row. So minus root 7 root 5 minus root 3. This is first row. Now column is, first column is minus root 7 3. Next, this is negative of matrix A transpose. one formula. A transpose of transpose is nothing but our given matrix A. First find A transpose. A transpose. A transpose is write the rows as column and columns as rows. So find minus root 78. Here 2, here 0.73, here 5 by 2, 1. This is A transpose. Now find A transpose of transpose. So write transpose for this A transpose. Now write this column as row. 5, 2, 2. Here minus root 78. Here 0.7, 5 by 2. Here 3, 1. This is A transpose of transpose, which is nothing but given matrix A. So hence verified. A transpose of, therefore A transpose of whole transpose equal to A. Hence verified. Now, seventh question, find the values of x, y and z. First subdivision 12, 3, x, 5, y, z, 3, 5. Equal to one equation is given. So, equating the elements on both sides. This is a 2-1 element. Here a 2-1 element is 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Here our variable. So, this is in A11 position. Here A11 position is 12. Therefore, y is equal to 12. Here our variable z. This is in A12 position. Here A12 position is 3. Therefore, z equal to 3. So that's the values. Here, second subdivision. Find the values of x, y and z for the given equation. So equating the elements. First question, A11 question is x plus y. This is A12, this is A21, this is A22 question. So first equating the elements. X plus y is equal to 6. This is first equation. Next, these two are constant. So here our variable. Here x, y is equal to, this element is 8. Second equation, third equation, 5 plus z equal to, this question is 5 here. This is third equation. Here only a equation is only one variable. So find the value of z here. Z equal to 5. Transfer this plus 5 to that side, minus 5. So z equal to 5 minus 5 is 0. So we found the value of z here. Now solve 1 and 2. This is equation with two variables. Here also equation with two variables. Solve 1 and 2. From first equation implies x is equal to, transfer 6 minus y. 6 minus y, substitute x is equal to 6 minus y in second equation. Second equation is x, y is equal to 8. X is 6 minus y into this one. X is 6 minus y. So we substitute this y equal to 8. Now multiply 6y minus y square equal to 8. So our y square term is minus. So transfer 8 minus 6y plus y square is equal to 0. So first write y square term, next write y term minus 6y. This is plus 8 constant term. It is a quadratic in terms of y. So solve. Here 1 into 8 plus 8. Coefficient of y is minus 6. So plus minus. So So both the terms minus. 2 4s are 4 2s are 8. So 4 plus 2 6 minus 6 minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8. Okay, this equation quadratic can be written as y minus 4 into y minus 2 is equal to 0, which can be written as y minus 4 equal to 0 or y minus 2 equal to 0. Yeah, y is equal to 4 or y is equal to 2. So y values are 4 comma 2. So is it equal to 0? If y is 4 comma 2, then find x. Substitute y is equal to 4 in first equation. Plus y is 4. This is first equation. Substitute that. X plus 4 equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 minus 4. So x is equal to 2. Then substitute y is equal to 2 in first equation, which implies there are two values for y. So y x plus y is 2 equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 minus 2. So x is equal to 4. So x values 2 comma 4, y 4 comma 2, z equal to 0. These are our solutions. So students, copy down these worked out sums in your classwork notebooks and do these homework sums in your homework notebooks. Our homework sums are from exercise 3.17, question number 2, question number 7, third subdivision, and example sums 3.56 to 3.59. Thank you students.